Okay, hi there, it's Tony Maynard here at Tony's Insane Bonus Bundle, and I'm doing a review on EZProfit Pages. In 40 seconds, never-ending free buyer traffic pays us $67 plus a month, recurring payments. And that's the way to get wealthy, that is, your recurring payments. The bankers, they know how to do this, and so do landlords, don't they? They get recurring payments once a week or a fortnight or a month, whatever that is. Same with Netflix. These are the companies that know. And your utility bills, same thing. It's all paid monthly or weekly or whatever it is. So what is EZProfit Pages all about? So recurring payments is the way to go, even though people don't like it. But they've got to pay their utility bills, don't they, eh? So they're in the game whether they like it or not. EZProfit Pages is the first and only software solution that makes it really easy for anyone to bank multiple income streams and build their list at the same time. So, you can read this yourself because I'm not going to do it. No. You see, so I'll leave it at just here a little bit so you can just pause it and you can read it yourself, okay? But I will go through this front end. So you've got your prices and upsells. Front end EZProfit Pages, $19. Access the powerful EZProfit Pages, software and training modules. Upsell number 1, unlimited version, $47. Upsell number 2, 100% done for you, $297. Upsell number 3, automation, $47. Upsell number 4, traffic, $147. Upsell number 5, profit maximizer, $47. Upsell number 6, license rights, for $197. Here are some of the key benefits you may be interested in getting. Easy traffic. Get paid while we're sleeping. Yeah. We banked $85,293 using the EZProfit Pages system. Over 93% of beta testers and profit within hours. 33 beta testers generated 17,129.73 with this system. 100% passive. Set up it once and let the app run. Zero extra expenses or costs required. Your fast track to real freedom. Plus get results or get free coaching for life. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Bonus 1, $427.95 value. This is about SEO, Access SEO Studio. It's a training program about how to do SEO correctly, and with Google and with YouTube and Facebook. But SEO usually is with Google and to get free traffic basically. Bonus 2, value $46.95. Access Jono's headline hack. This is a YouTube by Jono Armstrong on his headline hack, which is from Men's Site and how he explains it. Access bonus number 3, $344.95 value. 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. This is another video where it's explained how to get better conversions when you're doing your email marketing. Bonus number 4, value 267. Access timeless traffic, another course. We have to log in and it's a membership course where you learn about more traffic techniques. Yeah. Bonus number 5, take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Access vendor bonuses, yeah. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the count timer hits 0. Yeah, and when you do, you hit any one of these yellow buttons, you'll be taken to sales page to what when you purchase, then you can go to your Warrior Plus account, and access your purchase and access the bonuses. I'm Tony Maynard, so let's go to the this is my bonus page, and then there's the bonuses I'm offering you. Anyway, let's go to the next page, which is the sales page, and we'll have a look at that quickly. Here we are at the sales page. Unfortunately, we're right at the bottom of it, which is a bit silly of me not to so I'm afraid that's what's happening. But anyway, we'll get through there. We'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. We won't get there. No, this is not going to work out too well. No, stuff it. Oh, here we go. We're at the top of the page again. So there we go. You know, here's me worrying about it anyway. And it's got the same title. Everything's the same. You've got your video to watch. Benefits on the right. All the stuff, you know, that you normally go through here. You can just read it on your own if you want. You know, feel free to go to the page if you want when in your own time, because you know, this is the same old stuff, testimonials, all that kind of stuff is all here. All the stuff and how, you know, people feel sorry for themselves because they're not winning and they're not getting any money, and you know, which to me is totally understandable, because basically we're all being programmed to become employees, and employees expect to get paid. You know, that's how it is. You know, and of course it's, you know, currency is just like heroin, and you know, once you're addicted to it, you can't get off it. It's just like the same. It's an addictive drug. It really is. Anyway, there's all the bonuses and there's all sorts of stuff in here. You know, you can have a look at for yourself. But anyway, that's how it is. You know, employees don't have the same mentality as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs have to think a little bit differently, because they don't get paid every day. They don't get paid once a week. They don't get paid once a fortnight. They don't get paid once a month. You see, that's how it is with entrepreneurship. You see, although a lot of people like to think that they do, but they don't. And here's your bonuses. Well, you've got your bonuses: 1,000 daily commission system. Bonus 2, your first sale in 60 seconds. Don't know how they're going to make that one work, but anyway, we'll see. Bonus 3, 225 daily instant affiliate check. Bonus 4, 5 million online blueprint. Okay, yeah, special exclusive bonus for EZProfit Pages, automated super affiliate suite. This bonus alone will literally change your life instantly. Yeah, first 97 customers get that. So there you go. You've got some more stuff, more free. You know, there's always some free stuff to go along with this. So you know, you just got to go through it all. This is the page, the sales page. So you make a choice. You know, which one's it going to be? You're going to say pass on it, or you're going to go with it for what is it, $19 to start, front end offer. So, and then you go with the upsells. You see. And then you got a 365-day guarantee here. So it's, you know, for $19 to start. But I get the first upsell if you're going to be serious about this. And I'd also work at it. Don't just do it for a couple of days and then think it oh, it doesn't work and it's a scam because you've been programmed to be just an employee. No, I don't think that way. Just don't. You know, this is the guy who's the vendor. That's Glenn Koski. You know, it's a real good opportunity. This is frequently asked questions. So I would say, yeah, leave on it, because, you know, you've got 365 days to give it a whirl, give it a try. And if you do it consistently and regularly and keep at it, you will win. It's no doubt about that. You will win. That's it. That's how it is. So we'll go to the members area now. So here I am in the members area. As you can see, I've already played some of it, but I'm going to go that back now. I'm not going to bother playing it at all this time. See, there it is there. Yeah, that's here. This is an instruction video on the members area here. So you got you know, they put a welcome thing. You got your log out thing. You got you know, there's 11 here. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is, but anyway. Anyway, we've got the dashboard, and this has got a different name. See, it says Affiliate Traffic Lab. So it's about traffic, you see. So, but they've said EZProfit Pages. So this obviously does that, you know. This affiliate traffic lab. Right, let's get a dashboard. You my profile. You got find products. Let's have a look at that quickly. See if it works. Yeah. Oh, damn it! I've got. Okay. Okay, we'll quickly do that. Never mind. We'll just quickly get into this, and we'll log in, and we'll have a look. Shall we? Because I think it's a good idea to have a quick look. So here we go. Here we are. We've got graphics, templates, and then here's another video to watch. Okay, see another video, because you see down here is all the training, right? So you can go to the training and have a look. You see all the trainings here. You got the videos here, right? Now on that first video up here on the dashboard, there was a lot more training than this, right? So find products. Well, I clicked on that. Let's have a look at it again. There we go, find products. So pre 1 to 5, 25 of the 66,370 products. Wow, that's a lot. So you've got all these products here, see? Look at them all. You know, they're all preloaded, obviously. So yeah, you can just go through and you can just decide which ones you want to promote. So there you are. There it is there. That's that page. And that's with JVZoo. Like I said, JVZoo, right? ClickBank. So click on the ClickBank one. There's all the ClickBank products. Just like that. There we are. Your ClickBank products. You see, you got 5,000 of those. And then you got Amazon products. Wow. See, so you got, in order to do Amazon product search, you have to be an Amazon affiliate. You see, or you don't have to. You do. To promote Amazon products, you have to join their program. So, but you've still got JVZoo, which is free to join, right? You've got ClickBank, which is free to join, and Amazon is also free to join. You know, just fill in you go to the bottom of their page and look for affiliate affiliate marketer or affiliate program, and they'll and just apply. It's always fill in the forms and apply. That's it. And you got my videos, which is nothing in there at the moment. YouTube uploads. Let's have a look what this is. Well, you just put in obviously it's an upload. You can upload your video. There's an example of that to your YouTube channel. See, commission builder. Let's have a look at that. All right, so not sure what that does, but anyway, there it is there. That's the access denied. I got access denied. Oh dear. Obviously that's not for me. Yeah. See, so I'm just clicking around here to find out what I can do and what I can't do. And obviously that one's a no-no. Obviously, that's for sure. So you've got all this. You've got graphic generator. Let's have a look. So here we are, 3D graphics and your flat graphics, and you've got commission builder. So I've already clicked on that one and got denied access. So so license, which is what won't be happening to someone who buys this. So it's license generator. So go there, have a look at that. There it is there. And you put the product in and it does its things. You've clicked these buttons, obviously. And then there's what is there? Bonuses. Let's have a look there. Oh, there we go. There's the bonuses. And then there's the training, which we've already looked at. Then there's help, and then there's reseller license and upgrades. For this. So there you go. That's a pretty much in depth look at what this thing is. See, so we're back at the dashboard now. And you've got here flat graphics, 3D graphics, my templates. So here it is. So there you are. That's the train, and you got the training video to start with. Okay, so with that, I will go back to the bonus page where we will have a look at the bonuses I'm going to give you to help you along with this, because you're going to need them. That's for sure. Bonus 1, value $427.95, SEO Studio. This is a training program that you will need to get free traffic to your offers. See, which I just showed you, in the members area. So bonus number 2 is $46, which is a hack from Johnny Armstrong, a video of his, where it tells you how to create headlines from a men's site. So that's number 2. Number 3, $344.95 is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. That's also a video too, to give you tips on how to do that, because email is really important. That's the basis of any online business, and it's the only asset you have. So bonus number 4, $267. Access timeless traffic. So here is going to be some more traffic education for you, where you're going to learn a lot more about traffic and a lot more ways to do traffic. And this is this is a platform where you log in and access that training. See, go through the modules. And then bonus number 5, value $197. Take action today and accent all the vendor bonuses. So yeah, and when you click here on to secure your copy of the bonuses, you'll be taken to the sales page. And when you purchase EZProfit Pages, then you will be taken to you'll be sent an email where you can go to your Warrior Plus account and access the purchase, and then access the bonuses below in the email. Okay, and thank you for taking the time to stay with me to the end, right, of this video. Quick, and the link to the bonus page to this will be in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, and thank you for staying with me to the end. And if you like what you've been watching, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and then I'll see you again in the next review that I do. Thank you for watching and for taking the time to watch my review. Thank you. Bye.